Yes, we are live. We are back. We are back.
I'm saying it. How about our life now?
Okay. Hey, man. Can you see me?
Yeah, I can see you.
Okay. Okay. Yes, you have seen our topic. You have seen our topic.
Yeah.
I would like us to discuss about the activities of BNG, or whatever they call their name, because most of us don't know the activities of this group in different land. Most of us don't know their job. So I would like, what do you know about this group? What do you know about them?
BNG, like you said, Biafra Nation Guide. Am I right?
Yes. Sorry. Yes. Innocent. Yes.
Okay, okay, okay. Freedom, all hands must be on deck. Because all the goals is freedom. All the goals is freedom. Are you getting me?
Yeah.
That's like our PM
Yeah.
in fight for his own freedom. Because if you not call him, he not call you. Are you getting me?
Yeah.
Because what are you the word that if you not call him, you not call him? Like since Nelson Dodge is doing his activities over there in Abia State, to be sincere, I don't know his aim, I don't know his target, I don't know his plan. I have not seen when they say that I have not seen when they take responsibility that I mean because in the freedom fighter, anywhere you strike or anywhere you take
Yeah.
responsibility that so that we did this under the leadership of Prince Well, and Prince Well will back it. When Boko Haram strike, Boko Haram say that we did this. When Al Qaeda started, they say we did this. When Boko Haram started, they say we did this. Nelson Dodge, like I said before, I don't know his activities. I don't know how he get his men. You understand me? I don't know his mission. I don't know that he's here not even in the bush. You understand me? You must come back. You must come to the street, to the town, to face those that hold your freedom. You cannot hold those that hold your freedom in the bush. Every day you parole your car, your boys, everything's in the bush. What is your aim? What is your goal? I cannot tell. We cannot tell the aim of innocent technology. And he don't want to work with our PM. For example, since Prince Wema you have seen how we have hold the coastal region hostage now. You understand me? You have.
Yeah.
I hope you are getting me.
Very, very clear.
Okay. I hope you heard the news that occurred this morning. One oil company evacuates our region. I heard the news. Without 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 being Prince working with our PM, I don't think that they will achieve that goal. But now I have not heard any place in the news that they say that BNG take responsibility or strike this place or do one or two things since they resume or since they take office or since I don't know that if they're working for the politicians or they're working for our Biafrans or they're working for their own self-interest.
Very, very
We need to put hand according to Igbo actually abubakar ayoma abofofo you understand me for freedom your co-freedom fighter is your enemy your co-freedom fighter you're not working with him how will you actualize your freedom because with only innocent origin I don't think he can get his goal I don't think he can get the freedom but once in team with our PM once in team with the Biafra Nation League, the goal or the freedom will be closed. Now, today this oil company evacuate in coastal region today. They lose at all 1 or 2 naira in their account. That is our aim. Our aim is to scratch the Nigerian government, to scratch anything in authority in Biafra land to zero. How can we scratch it to zero? It's by teamwork. It's by working together. We cannot scratch them together by staying apart of each other. You understand me? Now,
Very, very well.
Innocent Oje is working for himself. I have not seen his target. I have not seen his in the freedom. Thank you for now.
Thank you so much, my brother. This Biafra National Guard leader, Innocent Oji, he attached his name, General. So the Maxwell, what is the name of the Maxwell group?
Maxwell is Biafra Nation League.
Okay, Biafra Nation League.
Yes, Maxwell, Maxwell.
Okay. So because I was told that this Biafra Nation Guard, okay, that most of them are working with government. So if you come to think of it, this their leader, Innocent, is in Nigeria, and Nigerian government have not successfully laid hand on him. But it is easy for Nigerian government to go after someone who is in abroad, and the one who is in Nigeria is moving freely and also carrying Biafran flag, showing arms and all that. Does it mean that they are seeing him that he's not a threat, or is he an agent of the government? Because one of these two must be the truth.
Yes, thank you for the question you just asked. And I told you that you only fight for your enemy. You only fight your enemy. You understand me? You only fight for the person that want to move food for your mind.
Yeah.
Our PL like example of the food. One, since I told you some of the key point of the food. Uh,
Yeah.
not taking of our resources in Biafra land, part of the food is moving. Now, which or which food is innocent dodgy moving for the Nigerian government? No food. Are you getting me? That is, he is working for the Nigerian government. Like I can say about the word called freedom. Freedom is there are three ways of getting freedom. One, maybe it will be in grave or prison or exile. Are you getting me? Now, you cannot fight your oppressor in the same land. You can never. You will give him chance, must. Or if you fail to give him chance, you will put him in prison. In the process of putting him in prison, if you mess over head, you enter the grave. Now that is why you cannot fight oppressor in the same land. For example, our supreme leader Mazi Kano is in prison. Our Odumegwu Ojukwu is in grave. Mazi Eba is in exile. For example of the what for example like we said, Amazonian leader Dr. Cho Ayaba is in
Yeah.
exile, not in Cameroon. You understand me? Mandela is Mandela is in prison, 27 years in prison. That is hard, in the same position. You cannot be in the same land fighting your oppressor. It is impossible. You can never. Because
Yes,
you cannot be there. Yeah?
you are right. You are right.
Okay. You cannot go and that's what I say to some people is that the citizens or the youth of Nigeria land cannot be in the land shouting for freedom again. Impossible. Go and ISIS, ISIS, that ISIS. That ISIS is a terrorist group formed by the founder of ISIS. The owners is called Kadish. We also say what is Kadish? Kadish is a free is a this thing. I cannot call it a nation. It's a region that have a boundary between Turkey, Iraq, Iran, and Syria. Now, these people divide the land of Kadish because Kadish is the one is richest is the one of the richest region that have oil in that side. They divide the lands. Now, Kadish know that the only way they can fight for their freedom is to produce that ISIS. But have it in mind, once you give someone gun, you cannot get it back for him again. Have it in mind. You understand me? Once you give somebody arms, you cannot take it back for him. Just like Nigeria, for example, when we go for election now, Nigeria, the politician will buy arms and give it to the youth. You understand me? If we
Yeah.
give the youth 100% youth arms, have it in mind, you cannot get the 100% arms back. It's impossible. You understand me? Impossible. That is how what happened to this. Now, in this case of Innocent Orji is not fighting for Biafra. It's not looking for Biafra freedom. It's looking for its own freedom. It's looking for its own pocket. You understand me? You cannot be in Nigeria and fight for your freedom. We know how brutal Nigeria is. Nigeria is not a country that do with peace. Nigeria is not after dialogue. You understand me? If Nigeria is a country that do with peace, you cannot go to Kenya and kidnap our leader. It's impossible. If they can went to far away to Kenya to kidnap our leader, you know that our leader is doing something. You understand me? If they can call Finland or go to Finland to bring our PM back, you know that he's doing something. Who is Innocent Orji? Be in the land, be in Nigeria, be in Biafra territory, fighting for freedom. They cannot go after him. Who is him? That's to show that it's not a threat to the country, to the nation, and it's not a threat to Nigeria. They can only go for those that is threat to them. You understand me? Innocent Orji, I not see it as a threat. I not see it as a freedom fighter. I see it as an opportunity. You understand me? I see Innocent Orji as someone that have opportunity. Like just like this guy now called Mr. Map. You know Mr. Map? Tony
Who?
Nade. Tony
Tony,
Nade.
Tony, Tony Nada.
Yeah,
Forget about that
yeah,
one.
it's Mr. Map. Yes, it's in Nigeria. You are calling for division. You are calling for where is the map of Biafra? Where is the map of this thing? How can you be there to have your map? You understand me? You cannot be there to have your map. You must give them space and do your map. You understand me? To show
Yeah.
that outside the Cuba declare this thing, Biafra de facto government, am I right? Biafra outside the Cuba. It can't be in the threat of Nigeria, the guy before the facto government. Impossible. If the guy before the government, we are still working with Tinubu, we are still working with Buhari. What is the federal government of Biafra you declare? You understand me? It's impossible. You understand me? That is why I say that Innocent Oji is working for the politicians. Maybe his boys are used for robber, for highway robbers. I'm not 100% sure. I'm just saying my own opinion. You understand me? Because
So
I have not
for
seen.
how like the which of this is more easier and simple? Going to Kenya to kidnap someone and going after someone who is in Nigeria in the bush. Which of them is more easier?
The issue is that Nigeria spend, according to them, they spend 100 billion, according to them, or 150 billion to kidnap Mazin and Kanu in Kenya. You understand me? Now, Toji is in Abia State. You understand me? It may be one local government in Abia State, one local government, or one village itself in Abia State. You understand me now? What is this time between one village in Abia State? Like Nigeria cannot go there and pick him. And pick him. Or Nigeria
Do
cannot.
you know before now there was a news about Nigerian army invading their camp and they looted their catapults, their vehicle and everything. But after some times, we were told that those guys they captured there, they have released them, and behold, the same vehicle and the equipment they claim they have taken from them was seen again back to back. Even Innocent and his group started building. They have tents in that bush. They have a little house, shelter, everything. You can see it in that bush. And this is somebody who is fighting for Biafra. And from year to year, we don't hear any news that Innocent and his group have pursued any Fulani herdsmen that or rescue any kidnappers, or even challenge any even the system of the government. They have not done that. Only what they do is every now and then they will write up some, they will write, make a broadcast, bring camera, and give Innocent a long speech of a long written material to read. After reading it, in the name that he's addressing the press. The reason why I decided to check on them this time around is that there's a press conference that they released saying that because in I think Arise News was saying that sit at home, and because they don't want to mention Biafra Liberation Army. What they normally call is ESN. So I think it's one of the order given to all media station in Nigeria. So
Yes.
they're not allowed to mention Biafra Liberation Army for now. Which, like I said in our last broadcast, that they will still mention it because that's what they did before when they were hiding the name IPOB from the media. So now, Innocent and his group were being used, this media used their pictures and their video while explaining about activities of their so-called ESN and the background operation in the southeast. Do you know what this group did? They jumped out immediately, released a press statement saying that every media house in Nigeria should take note that they are not working with anybody who is fighting from abroad. That, when you don't like someone, just like what Iken Guragudu did, instead of calling Samonekpa, he said that one in Finland. So he used that statement to describe the PM because he is not happy with the PM, maybe because of his activities and all that. So seeing this group coming out with that kind of analogy, addressing Biafran government in exile as those ones abroad. So let us now check the activities of you who is in the east, who is at home. Since you are at home, what have you done? You understand? What have you done? And I was also told that there was a time they gave them money to buy catapult and other administration material. So what they did, this man collected that huge amount of money. It's in millions. You understand? He collected it. Do you know what he said? That this money is for Koranot. That this money is for just for cola. Is the money. So, and you are fighting for freedom, which means what he's doing is almost the same thing with the US. The only difference is that he don't have the branches to suck other people abroad in terms of fundraising or contribution. He's not business minded to compare the US. So his focus is from government. So this kind of group are, I'm not saying categorically that I'm sure, but the tendency of them turning against their own people is high. Once you flash them money, they could turn against their people. So that is why if anybody who claim to know them better, or maybe what our own understanding, because we are far, I don't have a confirmed intel about them. I'm just trying to analyze what I'm seeing and far. The way I'm seeing the activities, the way I can analyze what I've done so far, that's what I'm doing. So I could be wrong, but anyone who is right, please click on the link in this in the chat session, in the comment section. Come on and tell us what you think about them. So
Yeah. Yes, like I said before, is that there's one time I think Korea or which people citizens were kidnapped in Biafra land earlier last year. Am I right?
I don't know
Was
about that.
kidnapped. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Point at Wike particular. You should release them. You know about their kidnap. You know what I mean? State. Our peer
Okay.
point at Wike direct. Say Wike, go and release those boys you kidnap with your men. You understand me now? Now,
Yeah.
I'm there's a place I'm coming. There's one certain time. pipe oil pipe was strike in Akwa Ibom State. You understand me? Our
Yeah.
PM point at Godswill Akwabiom.
Okay.
Your men have strike pipe in Akwa Ibom State for you to get money federal government in the name of repairing the pipe. You understand me? Now, let's
Yeah.
not dodge now. Like I understand me? It's not far.
Okay.
It's working for politicians. Maybe Orji Okalo, you understand? Maybe because if Orji Okalo can keep mood on Orji with his level, with his mission of getting our supreme leader Mazi Kanu from Kenya and keep mood on innocent Orji in his backyard, there's something fishing behind it. There's something fishy behind
Yes.
it. Now, Nelson Oji is calling Samuel Ekpa that the person someone working in abroad accepted. We love his work in abroad. You understand me? Him that is working in Nigeria, what is his aim? What is his target? What is his achievement? You understand me? If
Yeah.
the same thing about our PM working in abroad, that is the same word made by Nigeria government say that small boy in Finland. Now,
Exactly. Exactly. Now you have gotten what I was saying, because
yes,
you can
now
his choice of word is exactly what government is using.
you understand?
His choice
Yeah,
of word. Uh,
okay. Now, boy in Finland are shaking the nation. You understand me? The small boy in
yeah.
the small boy in Finland are making a whole over 200 million people ungovernable. You understand me? It's crashing the economy. As you said, we are hearing dollar increase, dollar increase. What is the cost of the dollar increase? That is what people cannot think well. Dollar increase starts in Nigeria. You understand me? That's zoo. Because if we give them chance for them to keep on stealing our resources, I don't think the dollar will increase. You understand me? Now they are not
Yeah.
having the chance of stealing the resources again. That is why the dollar is increasing. You understand me? The dollar is increasing. The money they will use to step the dollar down. They are stealing the money. That's why the dollar is increasing. Now, Nelson Dodgy is nobody in Biafra struggle. You understand me? Is there to make money. Like Castle Okobo, two-faced man. Tomorrow, next one you are a Ijaw, tomorrow you are in Nigeria. Where do you stand for? What is your aim or your mission in the freedom? You
Oh
understand
my
me? Next technology
goodness.
is not working for Biafra. I not see him as a freedom fighter sef. That's the issue. I never see Nelson
Yeah.
Oji as a freedom fighter for one.
No,
Thank you.
I just want to check on him, because after reading that press release that he made, it's quite funny. Thank you so much, Emenike. Thank you so much. You're welcome. You're welcome. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Much love for you, my brother. Yes, we need to calling it out the way it is. It's not that we are fighting each other or fighting ourselves, but you cannot accuse other people, pointing hand on the Biafran government in exile, blackmailing this and blackmailing that because of money. So I don't see any difference between this innocent of a guy with DOS members. I don't see much difference. You understand me? I don't see much difference. It is all
Yes.
about money. Money, 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 which is not good. It is very, very bad.
Like, for example, if they call freedom fighter as a freedom fighter, is a question.
No, no,
You
no, no,
understand
no,
me?
no.
Because freedom fighter is that you must be active. We are in 21st century. I get me. The means of getting freedom
Yeah.
in 21st century is called internet. Have it in mind. It's called internet, social media. You understand me? Because you will tell the world what is going on. If we are not hitting the zoo, Nigeria, hard, strong, if our peer is not hitting them hard and strong, I don't think they will frustrate Biafra social media handles.
Do
You
you
understand? Because
do you remember how they fought PM with his YouTube?
YouTube
How they fought
to
his Facebook?
everywhere, all the social media is not in anyone again. Due to they frustrate his life and give them the
Yeah.
chance. You understand me? That is he
Chibike,
is hitting them
Chibike,
hard.
you're welcome. Chibike, you're welcome to our live. You're welcome. Thank you for joining us. Thank you.
You understand
Continue, my
me?
brother.
Our PM is hitting the hard. Now, where is the hard innocent Oji is hitting the zoo? You understand me?
Innocent,
Where is the
this
hard?
innocent. Do you know? Even Wazurike at this present time is fighting for Biafra more than this guy.
Yes.
Wazurike, is compromised. I'm not saying that he's perfect and the others. What I'm trying to say is that even at his absence, Wazurike absent without any arm at the moment. Wazurike don't have group that is open, that is armed. You understand? Maybe he have secret one, okay? But Wazirike don't have any group that you can point now and say this is Wazirike, this is a Mazov group with their arm, just like this group are doing their own. Wazirike is more active than Innocent with his group and the military uniform and all the catapults. So his job is just to blackmail other people. If you are not, if maybe I don't think any difference is contributing to them. Another
Now,
question
now,
is this:
okay.
where are they making their money?
Like I used to say before, no freedom, you cannot achieve freedom without money. Fund. It's impossible. Impossible. You understand me? If you cannot achieve freedom without money, money is the number one thing for your freedom. Now, if you can see our PM, they are doing fundraising two in a month, not mistakenly.
At least minimum once in a week.
Yes, tomorrow is fundraising. This Saturday.
Yes,
Now,
I have that in my platform.
okay. Now, to generate money for the freedom. Innocent Oje, you told us you're not stealing for oil, you're not stealing for anywhere. Where are you making money? Like I said before, there may be all those highway robbers. You understand me? There may be, because they're working for politicians. Their mission is to go and strike politicians, and they pay them their money. Because I've not seen where he's working.
Nothing.
Innocent Oje is not working with
Even
BNG.
ordinary press release against Fulani herdsmen that are everybody in Nigeria. You don't need to be a freedom fighter. Is against the movement of activities of Fulani herdsmen. Even only one way for condemnation. I have not heard it from this group. I have not.
They are say Innocent Oji is not a freedom fighter. Do you want him to condemn his master? Impossible. Who is his master? Like example, Oji Okano. Do you want him to condemn Oji Okano? Oji Okano is a Fulani man. He's working for Fulani. You understand me? He's a full Fulani man. I'm working for him for Fulani, and he is proud of it. You understand me? I would just say that Innocent Oji is that he's just looking for a way to make money because he's jobless. The country don't have job. The only way is to take one or two catapult and be in the bush and making noise. You understand me?
Igbo people, you see, our people are so democratic in nature, so Republican that we don't even look or at checkmate people that we need to be checkmating, because this guy has been like this for long and nobody is discussing about him. He has arms, he has all the equipment, whatever, but nobody have ever come out and say, look, what are they even doing, what is activities from year to year, and nobody is giving any record of what he does. And he have a group. What are their operation? What are their motive? Even in the village where he is, Fulani people could be ravaging the community and they will keep mute. They will not say anything. Just like you said, maybe maybe he's one of the government. This is a group formed by politicians. They are using them for dirty job or something like that.
Yeah. Like I say, the one thing that makes me to love our PM more is that he don't find who do not find him. You understand me?
No, no,
He not go for who
no.
don't go for him. Now Innocent Oji have started attacking our PM. He should have it in mind. Tomorrow now, once our PM start bringing fact and figures about him, they'll say our PM is fighting the freedom, is fighting him. Forget that. They forget that he said that how can he's not working with who is in abroad. You understand me? Okay,
That
if
is it.
you understand me? Now it's one that is attacking our PM by saying making that speech. Only that speech only is very deadly. You understand me? To working with abroad. If our PM, do you know what our PM is passing? Our PM cannot sleep 5 hours in a day just for the freedom of Biafrans. Are you getting me? Do you think that he's just in abroad, comfortable there? Eh? Or it's not in abroad, it's not sitting at home or what? Okay, not dodgy. What have you dish out for Biafrans? Oh, it's just like which information or which intelligence gathering have you dished out for Biafrans? You understand me? No intelligence, no
There's a,
intelligence.
let,
Listen,
let me let me come in. There's a rumor
yeah,
going on currently. There's a rumor going on currently that Madam Azoka is now working with this guy, this innocent Hodge. So it is not verified yet. It's not a public domain yet. This is behind talk, but people are still investigating to make sure. You understand? So I am not surprised if Madam Azoka went back to him or decided to work with them. So be it. No, I'm not after that. My concern is if you come out and say that you are fighting for Biafran freedom, know your capability, know your strength. Like me, I cannot come out and say I'm fighting for like Simon Ekman. I can't do that because I don't have the strength. You understand?
yeah.
I cannot turn myself now and say, okay, I want to be like a Mass Namodekan. I can't because I don't have the strength. So these people, some of our Igbo brothers, when you mention freedom, what goes to their mind straight is business. Does it
Money.
mean that they don't know what freedom means, or they don't know what people are giving a lot, paying some have paid ultimate price, and what you do is just to come in. Your number one agenda is to make money. You want to make money. Look at Chike, those in DOS. You are fighting with Mazen American who is working tooth and nail, doing everything, flying from one place to another, receiving insult from people that he's far, far better off. And you are there asking for his salary. You are earning money, salary earners every month. So sometimes I wonder what kind of God created those people. Are they stupid or what?
This one, he said that Azuka is working with as a rumor. In every rumor, there's an atom of truth. Have it in mind. You understand me? Now, you say that Azuka is working with Nelson Dodge. Yeah, it's not a surprise thing to hear. See, there's something I want to understand about our PM. One particular thing, the lifestyle of Madman Kano, as our leader, is the same lifestyle of our PM. There's something I understand between our PM and Manazuka. One thing I understand there is that Manazuka wants our PM to tell him the secret of how to actualize Biafra. This thing is what Manazuka is fighting for, and that is why our PM don't want to tell him. You understand me? Now you know about this woman that left last before among no,
Nelly Ofe-
not that one. This one that left before for before after Nelly Ofobu left, that one that left Utumada, she's among Mada.
you are talking about Madam Ifi
Yes,
Obi.
yes, 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 Madam Ifi. Now, the mission of Madam Ifi in that autopilot and in that Mada did not actualize it. She did not actualize her mission because the order is to get information for PM. Madam Ifi now is in her autopilot. Yes, the husband is in the US. Have it in mind.
Yes,
You understand me? Now,
I thought you don't have that information.
I know about it. She blocked me in my personal Facebook. She blocked me due to her chatter. As soon as I strong message, she blocked me automatically there. You understand me? Nah. But me, she want to buy me for me to be in their own gang. I refuse. She blocked me. I
She
mean,
did. She did what?
she blocked me in my Facebook. She's my friend in Facebook. She blocked me. But Miffy, you understand me? Due to
Oh,
I give her a strong message that shocked her. She blocked me automatically. I told her the truth. You understand me? She wanted to join that gang. But I'm not push and start, like I said before, I'm not push and start. You understand me? Now, these people, they are finding, because that thing our leader said that if I tell you how I will actualize Biafra, you will betray me. Now,
Yeah.
they want our PM to tell them how to actualize Biafra, for them to betray the PM so that you know actualize Biafra. Okay, look at that. You just have a little issue to our PM. You went and meet Innocent, start working with him. Madam Ifi have a little issue. He went and meet DOS and started working with them. Are you getting me? Now, what is the aim? If our PM mistakenly told us the secret, will he be actualize the freedom? That is no. You understand me? Because in technology now, if you make a speech that one that is in abroad fighting for freedom, you understand me? Anything Madam Zuka know about the freedom, he will dish it out to him. You understand me? He will dish it out to him as a tools for him to betray our freedom. That is why they are all fighting our PM, because he don't tell them the secret of the freedom. Now, what I will just say that,
No,
Madam,
you
eh?
know, do you know what I believe?
Yes.
I believe that God used PM, to pay those people back of all their evil, because the way PM is behaving is totally different from what they normally see from
You know that PM have used the mistake of MMK.
Mass Namoricano when he
PM
was
have used the
there.
mistake of MMK. PM
Huh?
have used the mistake of MMK to correct itself. You understand me? You have used, okay. For example, now, how
Yeah.
can you have a secretary? You be offline. You be nowhere to be found. You understand me? Your secretary will always alarm. Answer me. How can you have a secretary? Because our leader have a secretary. You understand me? You have a secretary. Now, you have the
Yeah.
US body. The US you are hearing are up to 100 or 50 in number. Let me tell you the truth now. Not only one person. They are up to 100 or 50.
Yeah.
Eh?
No, no, no.
So, you understand me?
If
Some
not
are in
more.
Nigeria. Some are in Nigeria. Some US. You understand me? Now, Chike Dozo.
One of travel to Nigeria and was using Nigerian
Okay,
exports.
okay. You understand me? Now, this year we are here now. There are many. We have all these people, up to 100 of them. Your leader is offline, is nowhere to be found. For what? For 8 days. 8 days, not a day, not two, 8 days without raising alarm. You understand me? Without raising alarm. Do you know they know about the thing? That is why our
If,
peers say that I did not have a secretary. If I have a secretary, you cannot use him to get me. You understand me? Our peer use the word.
no, he really blocks a lot of access,
In Korea,
and that is what those one who came to join him thinking that it is very easy. Once they push and push and push and it did not work, they will turn against him. They started fighting him. They become so angry. You understand? Like Madam Mazoka suspend other Omada. He gave them suspension without approval of PM. You
yes,
understand?
yeah,
PM had about it because PM have given him that post, allow him to operate the way she was operating. PM kept quiet. Let her do her job, use her office. Then PM knows that his office is more superior than her own. Then he now later gave her suspension. Instead of her to go for that suspension, she refused. What she did is to fight against that suspension. By so doing, she avoid she avoided everything concerning the Biafran government in exile, and even to go to Finland and other things. She refused to do that. Her husband also backed her up. So all these things is a sign of someone who is not genuine. It's a sign of someone who is not really genuine, who is not keen in for the freedom of the people. That is just the truth.
yes. Because you know that Charles Nwankwo, that's wife to Madazuka,
Yeah.
husband to Madazuka,
Madam
is a is a
Masoga.
is a is a PA to our PM. You understand me?
Okay.
But don't use him to get our PM. Our PM want them that you cannot use him to give me a message. Everything will come direct to me one on one. It's just like a PA. Just say I have a PA, but cannot use him to get me. Now, Manazuka and her mission, she failed it because, for example, she suspended Ife issue of money. You understand me?
Yeah.
I don't know the issue. Suspended OSA, what do they call it? That one that used to download the dragon, download MMK, that lady in
Yeah.
Italy, and others. Why are you suspending them? What is their mission? What is your mission? You understand me? Because I said that I cannot be in any organization. I cannot ask a question. It's impossible. I will be in where I will ask a question.
That's
You
it.
understand me? I will be in a way, a place that I will ask a question. If you don't want to ask a question, it's better I stay off of your organization. Now, my main feel is that once you ask her you ask her question in Umada, she will take it as an offense. You understand me? That's what I was. You understand me? Once you ask her question, she take it as offense. Our PM just overlook all those things because our PM don't want to jump into the matter. Our PM just giving her long gap, long observation. You understand me? Long distance of observation before you find out that she's not genuine. Now, because the day I don't like when they went to Finland, like you said, I not see her in Finland. I know there's something fishy. There's something wrong. After the Finland convention, yes, she tweeted. I mean, my voice is repeating.
No, maybe from your signal. I can hear you very clear.
Okay. Now, after the Finland convention, Nazuka wrote on her Facebook page that I'm sorry, I apologize to Biafran for not being the convention. You understand me? I'm surprised. Because we Biafra, we are very, very coordinating but no, they go the air. But I heard that there's something fishing behind it. I thank God that she had used herself and had to press herself. Because there's a thing she made. She said that you cannot make Biafra, you cannot actually Biafra by online. She made that speech. Nazuka made that speech. You go to her Twitter, you see it there. You cannot actually Biafra by online.
So you
That
saw that part, right?
I saw it. They're making us online. Who is she referring to? She referred to her
I
PM.
one thing with our people is that when once you are being pushed out, instead of you to respect yourself, you keep on jumping from one place to another, disgracing yourself. Whatever she is posting against the Biafra government in Israel, even the letter when the day she claimed that she resigned after she had been sacked, she wrote something, in the name of her resignation letter, saying where the place that got me, that I felt that this woman have gotten everything wrong is where she wrote Simon Ekpa and his Biafran government. Simon Ekpa, I am no more working with Simon Ekpa and his government and his government, something like that. He made Biafran government in Israel and Biafran freedom. He personalized it to PM. That statement is where I felt that this woman have gotten to my nerve. I decided not to. Even I went to my Twitter and Nnemeka, I don't know if you are still online. Emenike, Emenike Chibo. If you are still online, I noticed that you are, I noticed that you're a content creator as well. Reply me if you're a content creator. Just reply me. Are you a content creator? Just say yes, so I will know that you're online. Okay, let's continue. I think the guy is not more active.
Just
He's not
like
more there.
I like the procedure of our PM. Like When our PM is using the system of his master. You
He
understand
said
me?
our PM did what?
He's using the footstep of his master, which is madness.
Exactly.
Like what to make
Exactly.
let destroy them. You understand me? Thinking that giving out the information you have, that government will bring Biafra down. How come? Who is telling him? We watch our open radio station, human rights radio, Biafra, human rights radio, Biafra. What means? Who is listening to him? You understand me?
Your voice is down. Your voice is down.
I don't know. My best is repeating himself.
Okay, we are about to close actually, so there's no point. I would have asked you to go out and come back and come in, but we are about to close. Let's round it up. So, what is your advice to any member of this group or Biafrans against in support or against BNG or whatever they call themselves? What is your advice to
Okay.
Biafrans about this group?
My advice to Biafrans and God, the whole group we have in the struggle is just one advice. Our leader, Martin Luther King, said that whatever you can do to give us better, do it. You understand me? You cannot get Biafra, you cannot get Biafra by fighting your close freedom fighting. It's
No, no,
impossible.
no, no.
You understand me? Now, our PM is going country by country to get also told you, if you can go barrack to barrack, go barrack to barrack to get Biafra for us, we still appreciate you. We don't want to know who gave us Biafra. We want to keep Biafra. You understand me? If you also told you, that we tell on them, we cannot do Biafra by attacking our PM. Attacking our PM is just you want to create a war in the media. You understand me? And create a war in the media, I don't think that you stand the war. I believe that you just focus how you are focusing in, how you engage in the bush, rolling around the bush. You are not looking after that. But our PM is no go area. You should have it in mind. He is doing a marvelous job for us. If it's not active, if it's not working, the new government will not come for him. The new government will not
At all.
promise him at all. You understand me? I will also say that whatever initiative that we go to give up Biafra, let the person do it and give up Biafra. We all want Biafra. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, my brother. Thank you for coming in to join me in this live broadcast. I really appreciate.
You're
You
welcome.
will tell us your channel name in case anybody who want to know more about your activities and what you
Okay.
do in your channel.
Okay. My channel name is Madu Chimamanda.
Mado.
Madu. That's Madu. Chimamanda
Okay.
is Chimakamam. Chimamanda. That is my channel name. Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. I really appreciate.
You're
Thank you.
welcome.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
I would have loved to talk to this guy, MNEK, but I think he's not online at the moment. I
Okay.
would have loved to have his contact because I noticed that he's a content creator. I think he's posting some stuff on his page. I try to if you are in, just message me. I will respond to you immediately. I will give you email where you give me your contacts. I don't know if before I end the stream, if you are in MNEK, let me know before I end the stream. Yes, Diana, uh, Diana, thank you so much for your message. Yeah, BNG should be on their lane. Let everyone fight for survival of Biafran people and their generation to come. And generation to come, Biafrans live matter. Live matter. Yes, some of them choose to look for money and business instead of doing the needful. You are fighting for Biafra and you are Nigerian, and the same Nigerian is coming after people who is in abroad. So what is essence? What is your activities in Biafra? What have you contributed to make sure that things are moving forward? The press release that the Biafran BNG gave recently saying that distancing themselves from Biafran government in exile is a no-no for me. It is a no for me. As long as you are parading yourself as a freedom fighter, you should know the activities and what you expected to do as a freedom fighter. You don't just believe that once you came out with some catapult and have some gravels and put on military uniform, people should be afraid or shivering once your name is being mentioned without seeing the activities you are putting on the ground. In their press release, there's a comment they made there which I was not happy at all when I heard it, saying that you are not working with someone who is fighting, who is in abroad. So you that is in at home, what are you doing? Anyway, I will end the live stream here. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me in this live stream. Thank you, people that commented. I really appreciate people that give thumbs up. May God bless you all. See you on my next video. Take care of yourself. Enjoy your day. Bye bye, guys.